Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. I understand we are not in an English speaking country and we don't have people who can help us to practice English speaking with. We can't have a conversation with our parents or our siblings every time in English, right? And we look for partners to talk to. And that is why it gets a little difficult for us to start speaking in English at the earliest. Practicing in front of the mirror, in front of the video camera, it's all well and good. But unless you go out and start speaking to people, you don't get that confidence, right? When you are alone, you are more confident than when you are with other people. So the time you start having a conversation with people randomly on any topic, impromptu, that builds up your confidence more. Okay, so practicing alone, self-talk or mirror talk or video recording, it boosts up your confidence. That is a practice session. You are practicing English speaking, which means when you are there in a real life situation, it will help you to recall everything and you'll be able to at least present your ideas because you know how to present your ideas. But facing such situations more and more will help you build more and more confidence and fluency. So today I'm going to talk about some AIs which is there in your phone which can help you to improve your English speaking, which can chat with you, which can talk to you, which can correct you, which can help you in many different ways in learning to speak English fluently and confidently. Now, you don't need a partner, you don't need anybody's help or a teacher to help you out with English speaking. So guys, on that note, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. But if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, do write your comments in the comment section, and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video to master this skill. Now let's begin with the topic. So I'm going to talk about one AI which is there in your phone, which you use every single day, the app you use every single day, and you might not be aware of this feature. So today I'm going to tell you how you can use that app and start speaking or having a conversation with a chatbot in English to improve your English fluency and confidence. So we all are aware of WhatsApp, right? We all use WhatsApp day and night. The WhatsApp has this feature called Meta AI, wherein you can start talking to the chatbot in English, right? So I'll show you an example. So Meta, how do I plan my child's birthday party? Can you please help? So it says, planning a birthday party can be super fun. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to help you plan an epic celebration for your little one. Choose a theme your child will love, guest list, date and time, venue, activities, food and cake, decorations, party favors. Some popular party ideas also it has given. And then it has asked me a question, what's your child's interest? I did be happy to provide some tailored ideas. Do you have any specific preferences or requirements? So I've just asked a question and it is replying to me. It is sharing all the ideas. Now this AI is not speaking to you directly. It is writing messages. It is basically in text format. You can speak with the help of the speaker, but it will reply you through messages, text messages, which is absolutely fine. You can just read and then you'll get time to think about your next question or answer, and then you can take the conversation ahead. So likewise, it has given me some ideas, and it has asked me to provide me specific preferences I want for my kid's birthday party. So let's say something. Well, your ideas are really great, but I'm looking for something for a 5-year-old. So it has given me some new options. For a 5-year-old's birthday party, consider these fun themes and activities like, pirate party, construction party, fairy party, superhero party, tea party. Wow, nice ideas. Activities also it has listed: food and drinks, party favors. So a lot of create, and it has given me a link also, which is a blog, right? So these things they are giving. Now, after reading this, we can also come up with a lot of other questions also, which we can ask, and we can carry our conversation ahead. So this is also whenever you are free, or you want to talk about something, or you want to know about something, or you want to know about any topic, any specific topic, you can just chat with Meta AI on your WhatsApp. Now, in spite of this, you can also ask, I want to practice English speaking. Can you please suggest me a topic? And can you please have a conversation with me? So it will again give you some ideas, and you can start having a conversation with this, right? So you can speak and the chatbot will answer you via text, which is also fine. It is a good way of chatting, right? You are speaking, so you are practicing English speaking in this way. It's just that you will get some time to understand what it is saying, what question you can ask, and how you can reply, which is also good, right? You can collect your ideas, collect your thoughts, and then you can reply. You can ask Meta also whether my sentences are correct or not. What is the mistake? So you can just talk about it in detail. So whatever queries you have, whatever questions you have related to English speaking or any other, you can just ask and talk to this AI. It is very convenient. It is there in your phone. You use WhatsApp every single day, every now and then, right? Whenever you are on WhatsApp, come up with one topic and start chatting with this chatbot. And it is going to help you with English speaking practice. You will not feel that you don't have a partner to talk to. You will have a partner to talk. Okay, if you want a voice to talk to you, of course, ChatGPT is there. Copilot is there, which is also, you can enable voice chat and you can talk to that bot or AI. And there are lots more. And there are many AIs which are available in the market, which you can download. Some are free of cost, some you have to pay some amount, and you can just avail the services. You can talk to that bot, or you can have conversation, voice conversation with that AI. Okay, so things have become much easier, guys. I just wanted to bring this to you just because WhatsApp we use every single day, and we have this feature which has come up, which is very good, right? We are not aware of this feature. Today morning I got to know about this, and I thought of sharing this with you. I understand it is not a voice conversation, but then that's okay. You can put on the speaker and you can speak. It's basically you have to practice English speaking. So you are speaking, and the other person, the bot or the AI is typing a text message and sharing its ideas, which is absolutely fine. You can just read, you will get time to analyze, we'll get time to answer the question, come up with a question, and continue the conversation. So this is a good practice to start with. So I would suggest start using this every day for 5 to 10 minutes. Practice English speaking with this AI, and it is going to really help you in a lot many ways. Ask Meta AI to come up with a topic, or if you have a topic, you can just share with it and you can start having a conversation. Do it for 5 to 10 minutes every single day, guys. It's free of cost, and you'll see a lot of improvement in your speech, in your clarity, in your thought process, in your understanding, in your speaking, in your fluency, in your communication, in your confidence, right? And you will get to know a lot of things, a lot of new things while having a conversation with a chatbot or an AI, because it shares a lot of information. It has a lot of information. Whatever you ask them, they will give you all the details. So you have to study it well, read it very well, understand what it's trying to say. So this way you will collect a lot of knowledge also, and then you can exchange that knowledge. You can have a conversation. So it's really beneficial. Okay, another one is Copilot. Is also very convenient. Copilot is of Microsoft, so probably if you have a laptop, you will get it there, or try to download it. You will. That is also very convenient and very easy. You can have a voice conversation also with Copilot. And the lots of other AIs, guys. Whichever you are comfortable with, whichever you are convenient with, start using that. Okay, the idea is to inform you about all these things so that it gets easier for you to start using it in your daily life, in your practical or real life situations. Okay, so next time when you're thinking of having a conversation with someone, take out your mobile phone and check out the AIs which are available in your phone and start talking to them. Another use of WhatsApp is what you can do is you can come up with a group also on WhatsApp with your family or friends, whoever want to speak in English. You can come up with a group and you can decide a time and topic every single day, and you can have a conversation with people who are interested in practicing English speaking or in improving their English speaking skills. And trust me on this, there are lots of people who will be interested in, at least in your friends group, because they all have the same goal. They want to get a good job, they want to grow in their career, they want to, study abroad or whatever. There must be some other goals which people have. And in that group also, you might find somebody who is little better than you in speaking in English. So that will be an added advantage. So make a group of 2 to 3 people, not more than that, and fix a time, come up with topics every day, and start speaking for 10 to 15 minutes every day. 10 to 15 minutes is more than enough. If you start speaking to people in this way, you can do a video call also, right? So you can have a conversation via video call. That is the best thing you can do. But the idea is to start having a conversation, to start speaking with people, interacting with people, communicating with people, to become fluent and confident in speaking in English. Because there's no shortcut, guys. You have to practice. You have to face the actual situation. If you are not able to face the actual situation, how will you learn? Probably you will make mistake initially. You will fumble. You will forget words. You'll not be able to put your ideas across in the best possible way. But then there's no harm in trying that, right? Maybe next time you'll be a little better. The next time you'll be a little more better. And then in the same way, you'll keep on improving. And finally, you will become an excellent communicator in English. So you have to start doing. You have to start performing. That is the key, guys. And that is why I come up with a lot of practice sessions, so that it helps you to, or encourages you to become confident and fluent in practicing English speaking, so that tomorrow when you are in an actual situation to have a conversation with people, those methods, techniques, tips and tricks help you in communicating with people, having a conversation with people in English. Okay. So you should be ready to face the actual situation. That is why I focus on practice sessions. Okay, the more you practice, the better you get at it, and you will be able to perform. That is the idea behind it. Okay, so you start talking to ChatGPT, start talking to Copilot, start talking to Meta AI, or whatever AI is available in your phone or on your laptop, or whichever system you use. You can download whichever is convenient for you and start talking to that AI. That is important, guys. It's your choice. You're free to choose. There are lots of AIs available which can help you in practicing English speaking. Right? See whichever you are convenient with. See whatever suits you and start using it. You can clarify your doubts. You can clarify any grammar rules. You can clarify if you have made any mistake in sentence construction, if you have made any mistake in speaking, if you need more ideas for a particular topic, or if you need topic to discuss or have a discussion, anything and everything you can ask the AI and they're going to answer it. Okay. And I'm sure this session is going to motivate you to start using AI as your speaking partner to practice English speaking. And it's very interesting and fun also. My child loves to talk to AI, and I'm sure you will too. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye and take care.